Hey guys, it's me Pakal, and in today's CPA marketing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make money with CPA marketing by using completely free traffic. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement right now from today. So for this method, you will need three things. One is offer from a CPA network that is called CPA Grip, and second is this landing page which you can get for absolutely free, and I'm going to show you how. Similarly, you need and the third thing you will need is a free traffic, absolutely free traffic, and I'm going to show you everything today. So firstly, to get this landing page, you can check the link that I have given in the description of this video, and you will find that link. You just click on it and create an account on System.io. So it is absolutely free to use, and you can create up to 10 sales funnel step, meaning you can create up to 10 landing pages in this platform for completely free, $0 per month. Okay, so you can click on the link that is in the description and just create an account on System.io, and you will automatically get this landing page. So now when you get this landing page, then after that what you need to do is you need to find the offer. Okay, firstly I'll also show you how you can edit everything, put link in this bottom. I'll show you everything, but firstly let's get our offer. Okay, so to get our offer, you need to firstly sign up to this platform that is called CPA Grip, and it will take you like 2 minutes to sign up to CPA Grip. And you can see here people are making good amount of money in this platform. And once you create your account on CPA Grip, then make sure to fill this tax information and payment information so that you can receive the payment. And then just go to this monetization tool, and then just make sure to come to your URL file lockers. Okay, so now once you click on this and open this, then what you need to do is you need to go to another site. Okay, another site that is called PDF Drive. And here what you can do is you can download a premium book. Okay, those books that people actually buy from Amazon and lots of other places, that you can get for absolutely free. And you can offer this book to people who are most likely interested in this kind of books. Okay, so and what you need to do is once you come to this PDF drive, just type the name of the book. Okay, you can do a research on Amazon or any other place and just type the name of the book. Okay, for this example I am typing this internet riches. I'm showing internet riches, but you can download other book like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, that kind of making money, something related to making money or making a fortune or being a rich, that kind of book that can actually help other people. That kind of book, search in PDF drive. Okay, so for this example I'll take this internet business, and then firstly what you can do is you can just save this image. Okay, save this image in your desktop. Okay, so I have already saved this image. You can save it, and then what you can do is you can go to CPA Grip. Okay, so now once you go to CPA Grip, then you just go to this monetization tool and URL file locker and click on create new content. So everything is extremely simple. Okay, if you are finding it complicated, then just keep on watching this video and again repeatedly watch this video, and you'll find this strategy is so simple. Okay, and it actually makes you money. And then once you come here, then just click on this I agree this term and condition and click on continue. And then let's wait. Okay, let's refresh this preview. Okay, so let's click on create a new. Let's click on this continue. So okay, and now you will see this kind of interface. Okay, and once you see this kind of interface, now you need to change something. Okay, so this is a page that you people will be redirected from this landing page, okay, to this page so that they can download the book. And here we will make our commission in CPA Grip, and how that I'll show you now. So whenever people come to this landing page, and let's say if they click on this landing page, let me open it in new tab, but when people click on it, it will open in this same tab. Okay, this page. Okay, and it says download the internet riches book for free. So now you can simply type it or copy it. Okay, and then you can, what you can do is in the place of this complete and offer below to continue, just delete this and paste it. Okay, and second thing what you can do is you can delete this text, and in case of begin download, just leave it download. Okay, and okay, no, you should not put this at here, sorry, you should put it at here. Okay, and when people click on here, they will reach in this page, and when they click on here, then they will see this complete one task below to prove you are not a robot. So that means people need to complete any one task from these three. So this task is actually the offer that are available on CPA grip, which have appeared automatically. Okay, so I am in a country called Nepal, so that this is showing Nepali language. If someone comes here from China, it will show Chinese language. If someone comes from Russia, it will show Russian language. That kind of thing happens at here. Okay, so now let's copy this also, complete one task below to prove you are not a robot, and again go to this content locker and in offer help text type this. Okay, so that you will be able to see this. Now these offers will automatically pop. Okay, you can increase the number of offer, but 3 is fine. Okay, it is already popping at here. So now once you do this much thing, then see, now when people come here, they will click on here. Okay, and then they will reach to this space, and there are some comments, automatic comments that are kept at here, and then when they click on this download, then they will be redirected to complete an offer. And once they complete that offer, then what we need to do is we need to provide what we have promised, and that is internet reaches. And now you can just copy the link. Okay, just copy the link from this PDF drive. Okay, just firstly search for this internet reaches book, click on it. Okay, open this page and then copy the full link that is in there. Okay, and then paste it in locked URL at here. Okay, so once people will complete the offer from here, then they will be redirected to this page to download this book, and in the meantime we will make some commission at CPA grip. Okay, so now once this much is done at here, then what you need to do is you can simply click on this save. So now you have got your link. Okay, special link, affiliate link. Now just click on that get link and copy this link, and now you need to put this link in the button at here. So for this just click the link that is in the description, and you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, when you sign up to System.io from the link, you will automatically get this two landing page. So we are going to use this landing page, so just click on it. Okay, but firstly, if you don't know how to reach here, then you can just go to this funnel, or if there is this funnels not appearing at here, then make sure to see where is the drop down like this pointer and see where the funnels is, and just click on that funnels. Okay, and when you click on that funnels, then you will see something like this. Okay, and you will see affiliate landers 2.0, and you can click on that affiliate landers 2.0, and then you will see these two landing pages. So now you can click on this download premium book for free. Okay, and then click on this edit page. So now what you need to do is, first thing is you need to put your special affiliate link at here. Just click on this over your mouse to this bottom and click on this setting, and you can see open URL. Make sure the open URL is selected, and then just delete whatever link is there and paste your special affiliate link at here, and you are done. You can just click on save changes. Now if you want to promote other books like from PDF drive, okay, you can simply click on this setting. Okay, and then you can see image file. You can just click on this. Okay, and click on select file. Okay, and then choose another book that you want to promote and simply click on open. Okay, and in this way you can use your own other books that you have selected in this landing page. So insert. So now you just put the name of the book at here, and free book download, just put it. Okay, just put the name of the book at here. Now if you need this kind of long title, then what I would suggest you to do is you just go to Amazon and see about the book and just copy the full length name of the book. Okay, in this way. And similarly here you can see some description. You can copy any description that you think would be interesting for you viewers who will view this page. Just copy that and bring and just paste it at here. Okay, in this way. In this way you can change your things. Now other thing you don't need to change. Just after doing everything, just click on save changes and see in mobile how this looks like. Okay, it will look like something like this. Okay, and then you can click on save changes and just click on this exit button. Now you will see if you click on this view funnel step, this eye icon, then you will get the full URL of your landing page. Okay, in this way. Now you can copy this URL, and then what you need to do is okay, so let's say if you want to type anything at here, I'll show you that also. Okay, and also what you can do is you can click on this edit again. Okay, if you want this like another thing typed at here, download premium book for free, instead of this you want to write internet reaches free book download. If you want to write that kind of thing, then what you need to do is just edit that, click on that edit button, and then just go to this settings. Okay, and scroll below, and you'll see search engine optimization. Just put whatever name you want to change at here. Similarly, if you see here in social image, you can upload some image of that book itself. Okay, so that whenever you post it in somewhere, then that image appears. I'll show you how that looks like in a few time. So now we have got our landing page URL at here. Okay, in this way. So now what we need to do is we need free traffic. Okay, but we are not going to use Facebook. Okay, we'll be posting this link in the Facebook, but we are not going to use the Facebook to drive traffic. Okay, just visit either log into your own Facebook profile or any other Facebook profile that you have created in past, or you can create some new Facebook profile and just post that link in this way. Okay, and it will look something like this. So this is the social image that I was talking just before. And once you see this kind of post, then just click on post. Okay, and once you post this, then you will see, okay, I've already posted, I think, if it appears in my profile or not. Okay, so I have not posted it till now, so let's again post it. Okay, okay, so now I can just click on this post and it will appear at here. So now it have appeared at here. So now what you can do is you can simply click on this three dot. Okay, and click on, scroll below and click on this embed. Okay, and just copy this code. So now after copying this code, now just open a notepad. Okay, open a notepad and paste that embed code at here, and then copy this as from HTTPS to wherever it is written 500. So let's see where it is written 500 width. Okay, so here it is 500. Okay, wide 500. Okay, up to here just copy this link in this way, and then what you need to do is now you need to go to a specific site that is called followfast.com. okay, followfast.com. just visit to this site, and in this site what you can do is you can earn points. So how you can earn points? If you click on this, then you will get several tasks that you can complete and get 49 points for each. Okay, here you can get 9 points, here you can get 5 points. Similarly, go to another and see if there are some tasks that you can complete. Okay, and you will earn these points. Firstly, earn this kind of point. Okay, it will take few minutes. You just need to like, share, or do something like go to Instagram and like, go to Instagram and follow. Okay, go to Facebook page and like. Okay, that kind of thing you can do with this to earn points. So now once you earn points, then you can use that points to advertise. Okay, advertise your landing page. How? I'll show you. So you can see, you just go to this ad page. So let's say you have earned enough points, and after that, then just click on this ad page site and go to this Facebook, and then click on this photo post videos like. Okay, just click on it. So now you are going to put the URL that you just made, just copied from that embedded code of this Facebook. Just copy this and paste it at here in this way. Okay, and then give this title. Okay, title internet riches book. Okay, you can just type this much, okay, book name, and how much you want to pay for cost per click. So this is points, okay, this is point that you need to select. More bigger point you will select, more fast you get like to this post. So now what happens whenever a person comes to like this post, and they will see this post something like this: internet reaches, download premium book for free. So now those people who comes to like this page are most likely interested in this kind of making money online or in internet business, this kind of niche, okay, in this kind of platform. So that's why they will most probably click on it, and they will need they will search for this book in Amazon, if, and then they will find that it is a premium book, okay, and we have also written it is a premium book. That's why they can get it for free. This is an opportunity for them, and they will most probably click and complete an offer to get this book for absolutely free, and in return you are going to make commission on CPA grip. So now to post just total points, how much you want to use, you can always add points from account to your photo to get likes, okay. In this way you can put, like, so let's say you have 1000 point, you can use 500 point at year, okay, and cost per click you can increase to, let's say 30 in this way. And then daily, like how much daily you need, okay, visit. So let's say you have if you have enough, then you can also type 100. So that means 100 different people are going to come to that post, okay, but you need a greater amount of point, okay. For this, what you can also do is you can even upgrade to a premium membership and unlock this 15 CPC get likes even faster, okay. You can, it costs like $6 to $20, I think. You can check out these things, but what I'm showing you is the free way, okay. And then in targeted traffic, what you can do is to make good amount of money, you can go to you can target United States in this way, so that 100 people will come to your post from United States, okay. And just type this okay. So after doing this United States, just click on this ad, okay, so that it appears at it. And if you want to target more, then make sure to select another country also in this way, and then you can just type this, okay, and just post this ad. So now if you are wondering why it is not allowing me to post, then it is quite simple, okay. I'll show you. You need to do these changes also: change follow privacy to everybody, set profile privacy to public and everyone. But if you see in my profile, then it is only just for who can follow me, only friends, okay. That's why it is not allowing me so to post at the current time. But you can change this, set your profile to public, everyone, and change your follow privacy to everybody, okay, not this kind of friends or something like that. Just make everything public, and later you can change this to again friends or only me, whatever you like, you can do that, okay. And once you do this, then instantly you will start to receive traffic to your post, which you can use to get generate commission in CPA grip. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, then please smash the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. And if you want to watch some of my handpicked best making money online videos, then I have kept all the YouTube videos linked that of those best making money online videos of mine in the description of this video. Just go to there and check, and you can also watch any other video that is appearing at the screen right now. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.